Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So, those who are new, how to download, how to go to that hackathon one, you can go to hackathon, you can open it. Rest will again wait for 5 minutes, okay, for everyone to join. Then we're gonna start with the session. Behind this focus on right now on practice. All these hackathon session and all will communicate with you. Don't worry about that right now. Right now, just focus on practice session. When the practice session is over and the date will be announced, you will get everything. Don't worry about now. Hackathon right now. Just focus on this session. Okay. Vihan, what was your name? Vihan Srivastav. Yeah. So right now, just focus on Vihan on this practice session. Everything will be shared with you on mail and all what you'll get informed about hackathon. Don't worry about that. So So let's start, children. I'll tell you, you know how to log in, right? Again, I'll tell you those who don't know that. I'm gonna tell you again. You're gonna type www, sorry, www.icode.org. Okay, you wanna type this, correct? When you type www.icode.org, you move to the option called Global Hackathon. You click on it. Okay, those who don't know this, I'm just telling for them. There are some details about hackathon and all. Those who haven't registered, click on register now and all. But I cannot open. Okay, no worries. And then you can already, if you have signing up for the first time, student sign up or school sign up, whatever you have. Or if you have done that already, sign in and click on that and just click good. It will open this. Enter your mail address. Sorry. And verification code. Have sent a verification code to me right now. I haven't received yet. 532 257 532 257. Okay. 532 257. Come back. Yes, right. It's a preparation. Correct. Practice session. Now when you open this, click on start learning. No class on Saturday. We had a holiday on Saturday, Gandhi Jayanti. Many of you have called me directly on my phone, and I have replied you that you have holiday on that Saturday. Right, we were on which level? Is just see, we were on the level 35th, right? 34th was that, or we were, yeah, 34th was done. We were on 34th. I remember. So we are on this. Okay, sir. Right. Okay. What? Okay. Sir, this level only. Right. Correct. We were on 34th. So we missed today. Right. So now we're gonna just see how it will be done. It seems quite easy. Let's see who does it and correctly. Okay. So if you move to it's 35th. It's 35th level change. 35th. 34th we have done last session. 35th will start. Now the code will be. I hope someone noticed something. Okay, I'll tell you what. First, you do your code by yourself. I'll also try it by myself. Wait. Sorry, left out. Okay. That's fine, I guess. Yes, they've done right, not they've done left. Before repeat, then it will be fine. Blocks were taken, but only the loop was having some issues. So we just fixed it before and just run it slowly. So first we will go that side, then you will connect this, and then you will go collect always the left side first. Fine, correct? So let's move to the next one. This was quite easy. Okay. Let's move to the next 36th one. So can we put sorry sir item? Okay, no worries. Oh, so this is quite interesting one. This I want to see who does it correctly with minimum 2 stars, maximum 3. That all everyone knows. Minimum 2 stars who crack this level. We did 34th in the last session. Spaceship Mo 4. I just need that you guys got minimum 2 stars if you finish this level, and maximum you can get 3 stars. So not less than 2 stars. I need that code who does it first, and the code should be correct, not any guessing code. The code should be run and checked properly that it is correct for this level. Every time if you use variable, you won't get 3 stars. Try to use code. Previous session was done on Friday, and so we did spaceship move 4, step 4. Okay, it's same like previous one, I guess. No, not like previous one. Here the number of these two between two items are always increasing by 1. Here is one difference, two, three. Okay, loops are same. Correct. Okay. Let's see who does it. You have time. Okay, you have time for this level. Don't hurry. Don't make mistakes. Okay, in hurry, just doing it for the first time. Don't make mistakes. You have time for it. So go very slow. You see on my screen. Dr. Sharma. No, your screen is not visible. Okay, where is Dr. Sharma? Okay, just run it and I want to see, check with your stars. Then I'll see the code. Run it quickly for, do it into 4. Yes. How many stars you got? 3, correct? Dr. Sharma. Now show me the code. How do you did it? What is your idea? In larger, just show the, go to the code. There is a plus option on the right hand side of your screen from where you enlarge your screen. Just enlarge it. Okay, so you use variables. Okay, you set variables, so sometimes it changes not completely by, okay, not completely visible, but no worries. Okay, so you are changing a by one every time inside your repeat. Okay, okay, fine. But no worries, Abhay. You know how to do, right? So just practice, okay, just practice. It's just a practice session, right? So you can just practice, keep on doing, okay? Okay. 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 Some of you are new to this section. I'm getting it in the chat. Who are new to this section? Okay. Okay, students, those who are old can please move on to the next one. If they are done, sir, please tell how to use variables. So we are using variables. Okay, you just look at it and try to do it. And those who are new to this section, please. Okay, those who are old, please continue with uh, this one next map. Okay, next level. Okay, you are done with this. Sir, I'm new. Let's say, okay, I'm getting all the new ones messages. Okay, so those who are new, you know how to log. You saw the login process, how to log in and come to this platform. Just tell me. Lakshya, I know you are old. I know everyone. Those who are new, I know by their name. I remember those who are new, who are old. So no need to worry. I'm just asking from. Sir, I have done some. Okay, so you have done Scratch, so you must be knowing how to use blocks. Okay. Now the thing is, you know how to come to this platform hackathon one where we are, which I am sharing with you right now. You follow the steps which I showed you in the beginning of the session or not? Yeah, those were new. Did you follow the steps which I showed you in the beginning of the session? I'm not asking from the older students then please. Only the new one, you know how to open the hackathon platform. Those who are new. Uh, Okay. So remember, do one thing. Those who are new and those who are old, please continue with your next level. Please open a Chrome. Okay. Only for the new people. Open Chrome. You must be registered with or not. Check. You can check by yourself right over there. Okay. www.icode.org. You can see what I have typed on the Chrome. Open a new page and type this, all those who are new. Once you type www.icode.org, I'll put it in the chat. You can go also to this link. I've sent you the link. Just go to this link. Okay, enter it. And those who are old, please move to the next level. You know how to do now. So once you come to this, okay, you'll get global hackathon over here. People. Okay, global hackathon. Click on it. So once you go to global hackathon, you will see all the details about hackathon and all, when it will be conducted and all, October, November. Okay, regional finals, global finals and all. All the information about hackathon is given over. It's not completely done, Aditya. That's not completely done. You can continue with that. You should move spaceship and all of it. Now, click on register now. Okay. So once you click on register now, you will get this screen. I hope everyone, those one you has already registered with iCode. So if you have already done that, just click on already signed up and you will get a new screen where you have to enter your mail ID from which you have signed up. You open that mail ID, type your mail ID over there, click on send verification code, go to that mail ID. It will show you 6-digit code. Open that, type that 6-digit code and it will take you to the platform where there will be written on the right hand side start learning. Click on start learning and it will open iCode platform. Quite long process, but it's very simple. Okay, just go through it. All the new people, right? That's so most of you have done this. I will just not put this quickly and run it. I know it's not complete one. Okay, it's only for one. So this level I'm just keeping right now for you. Who is asking me for this step? Here is your spaceship. Same thing is happening 4 times. Correct. Just look at it how it will be done. Sir, I've done this level. Okay. We have to click on global hackathon. Yes. Sir, 3 times. Sorry, yes. 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Why 3 times? 4 times. No. There are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, okay. Got it. Okay. So those one just you need to collect the items. Okay. If you have a spaceship, you will move your spaceship. If you have only this character, you will move your character so that you collect the items which are there. Okay, it's like a puzzle. Okay, you need to solve that puzzle, right? Not visible, Anand. I hope it ran. Not visible. Students are joining now also the full Harsa. Yeah, I know, I know. I'm just checking. Oh no. So then it's 3 level, okay, fine. So we just need to move it 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. Okay, 5 steps is 2 times. Okay. Let's check with this. I'm gonna just see how it works. Okay, got that. So the last one is 4 steps, right? One, two, three, and four. Okay, yes. So why not we put this but yeah, suppose let me do it first this way. Let me not use that these things repeat right now. Let me use duplicate. Let me first do it like this way, then I'm gonna see with the new one where to use repeat and correct. So this can be done 2 times. I'll just put it 2 times. This can be done 2 times. Uh, this can be done 2 times. The first is in here I have done. Now left with this one, okay? So this one is only 4 steps, not 5, correct? It was only 4. I'll just check. Uh, yes, yes. So before I was thinking to make the code short. Now don't need to make it short. First, let's check how it. So now it's 4. So same thing from here to there. You can duplicate the same thing. because same thing will happen over there also. Turn right and move 2 steps. Only this much. Let's check it. Okay. So I was thinking that that was also 5 steps. This one, but no, this is only 4 steps. The last one. That's why it was not working. Correct. So see, in these levels, children, all those who are doing these levels, please remember the code will be long. Okay, because there are loops. There are same thing repeating number of times with less number of steps. So if your code goes little bit long, so don't worry. Just see how you can minimize it. Suppose these two were same. So I minimize using repeat. You can also do that same thing. Okay. So I am showing the code on my. Okay, Aditya. Okay. So you are showing the code of this one. Okay. Thanks. Let's move to the next one quickly. So the codes will be longer, like Shreya and all us. Don't get nervous while you do the code. Okay. The code will be longer, so don't get nervous while you are doing this. All of them, like I can see the faces, like Harsh, Srivastav, Shreya, Samik is new. Rest everyone has turned off their video, so I can't see any much. Only I can see these students. Okay, so don't worry. Now coming with this level, it's same like your code. Okay, fine. So there, there step 6. Okay, let's see one thing. Don't look at my code right now. Okay, I'm just doing it like this. Okay, you do your on your screen. I'll do this first. Try to do it. Everyone just do by yourself first. We'll check it afterwards. Vian, you just do it right. I'm just checking something. Okay, don't run this one. Okay. Got it. Lots of chats. There's step 6, they've done left, they do minus center. They do the minus 2, they turn right, they minus 6, they turn right, they one step, they should know 3, they 2 step, okay. Fine, that's another logic of yours, that's also good. Are they 6 minus 6, they minus 6, no, no minus 6, they 6 steps. When he comes over here, he will not turn right, he will turn left. Turn spaceship. Check with your code, Adesh. What's your name? Yeah, it seems like you are wrong. Aditya, I am not sure, but seems your code is correct. Okay, I'm not sure with that. Sir, I have also done like Aditya, but I have tried your also. Who is that? Ashman Goel. Okay. You can go with this also. It will use less number of blocks. Aditya one is also correct. No issue with that. Sir, this is full code. Okay, sir. He on my screen. Okay. Sir, next code of this level. Sir, get a next code of this level. Okay. What does that mean? Sir, Say, sir, please help me. Not able to understand. Sir, the last level. It's very simple. Those who are not understanding further, most of the students are were also new to this. If you are not understanding, it's just like a level. Okay, you need to collect items. You need to use blocks to move the wave, and you need to collect items. Sometimes you will have both spaceship and wave in the level, or sometimes we'll have only wave to collect items, or only spaceship will be there to collect items. So these are the blocks, only this much of blocks are here. Yeah, correct, Anand. So this much of blocks are left, okay, which are available. You have to use only this much of blocks and you have to do the code. That's it, nothing else. It's very simple. If you are just thinking that if the classes something are going on, but it's very correct, sir. Mine is correct. I have not seen your lecture, Badal. Dave step one, Dave step -1. Okay. Why you have taken Dave step one and Dave step -1? What does that mean? It will go one step and it will come back. Okay. Okay, got it. Then turn right. Okay. Dave step one. Okay. Spaceship move three. Dave step two. Okay. Dave step -3. Okay. Turn left. Okay, comes over here, turn left, okay. Turn left, there's step 3. No, turn left. If you are using this code and you are using turn left, who is this? Lakshya Badal. If you are using this step -3 and you are turning it left, then it will be spaceship move 3. And then you have to collect these two items. How you can move -3 step and you can turn left and then they will move 3 steps from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to move -4 steps. Wave over here, not -3. If you are using this code, rest code is correct. There step 6, there spaceship move 3, there turn left, there step. Okay, Vihan, you are also correct. There are 3, 4 types from which you can ways to do this one. You can do with my way. One is that you can make this collect first, move over here, collect these two, come over here and collect these 3. Or you can collect this, go over here, come over here, spaceship come over here, these two collect, come over here and collect these 3. So there are 3, 4 steps. How you do it, it's all upon you. The less number of steps will be, more number of stars you get. Okay, so we keep this one till here. Wave 6, okay, turn right, okay. Here only you are wrong. Who is this? Ade Surya Tej, okay. When Dev is going 6 steps, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how can he turn right? He needs to turn left if it is going 6 steps. Okay, check it. Dev step 2. Okay, we keep till here. You are still confused. Who's this? Adesh Surya Tej. Check it with your code. You're still confused between Dev and spaceship. If you are moving Dev, just move Dev. If you are moving spaceship, just see what you are moving first. Okay. So guys, we keep till here. Okay. Those who are new. Okay. For those who are new, please once you try by yourself. Okay. Be on time. Be there in this session by 5 past 6. Okay, only for the new people, those who are new, please be on the session by 5 past 6. Lakshya Badal, your code is wrong. Your code is correct, only one thing is wrong. Your code, you don't take -3 step after you are taking Dev step 2, then -3, don't take -3, take -4, then it is correct. And I have shown how many times Vihan, what's his name, is typing from that time variables. Where there is use of variable, I have taken. Where there is no need to take variable all the time. Vihan, okay. Where there will be use of variable, there only will use variable. Not we're gonna not use variable for all the levels. Now those who are new, I'm talking to them. How to use, I have shown you, no? You are asking this from last 4 session, I think so. I've shown you every session. Please don't ask this. I've shown you how to use it. Okay. So you guys please practice. Okay. Be on time. Okay. Be on time. Practice how you just use your blocks and see if you are able to count the number of steps with your hands. See if you are able to code it. Okay. So the starting levels are very easy. You will be able to do the starting levels. It's quite easy. The level increases after 10, 12, you'll get problems. So don't worry for that. Please try to practice and be on time. After 5 past 6, if you are coming, then it's all your responsibility to understand. Before 5 past 6, you have to be there in this session, then I'm gonna explain you. Okay? So we keep till here. Thank you very much, everyone. Thanks for joining. Be on Thursday at the same time. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone. Bye. Okay, bye-bye.